Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to assign automatic material. Firstly, I open a assembly and click export Excel, and program finds also first part and get material and export Excel, and you can see it's working now and it's done. And program finds every source material, and you will see part name, configuration, material name, and material template. What is the material template? And I want to show you in here. If I assign any material, sorry, I didn't close this bar. Successful complete. Okay. If I edit and assign, and you will see the folder name is material template. So first the materials, and like this. If you want to add any material assign or custom company folder in here, maybe you just only write name the material template and write the material name, and you will see the material name the same. Yes, how can assign a new material? For example, is different, and generally I use is very common, the same, and I want to change all of them like this. Because I have this material, and if you want to don't change, you can delete. If you delete, you cannot change, just only the same material. And I save as books1, and I had to change this material now and close it. Assembly. If you use this macro, it's easy. You just only select Excel and select the sheet and import Excel. Macro finds and change material. It's easy. It's complete, and I want to open my assembly and reboot. Okay, and I want to export again. I wonder if it changed. Generally, it's common in my new material, or you can check by one by. Yes, you can see I assign a new material. If I want change, for example, I delete and the first not change this material, you will see, and I can change all of them. It's very easy to use. See you next video.